Despite the months-long feud between Anthropic and the Pentagon, the National Security Agency is using the AI company's new Mythos Preview. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Anthropic announced Mythos Preview at the beginning of April, describing it as a general-purpose language model that is strikingly capable at computer security tasks. But back in February, Trump ordered all government agencies to stop using Anthropic's services after the company refused to budge on certain safeguards for military uses during contract talks. Now, this news comes days after Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei reportedly met with White House Chief of Staff Susie Wiles and other officials to discuss Mythos. The White House later said the meeting on Friday was productive and constructive, though President Trump said he had no idea about it when asked by reporters. According to Axios sources, the NSA is one of the roughly 40 organizations Anthropic gave access to Mythos Preview, and one said it's being used more widely within the department too. The company is still embroiled in a legal battle with the U.S. government. Anthropic filed lawsuits against the Department of Defense in 2 courts in March after the Trump administration labeled it a supply chain risk, and the Pentagon filed a response shortly after. While Anthropic was granted a preliminary injunction by one court to temporarily block this designation, federal judges, on the other hand, have denied its motion to lift the label. Looks like Anthropic is fighting and working with the government at the same time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.